Right, just tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Yeah, let's go. Lights are nice and bright.
Aye, they're alright, eh?
Aye, it's on.
So what was overall miles that you done when you were away?
1495.
So 1500 mile, that's alright, eh?
Yeah, 1500 miles more or less.
That's brilliant. Aye, it was the Honda's birthday on Wednesday, so I gave it Thursday off. And the wife says, I can't believe you've had that bike for 3 years. I went, yep.
Aye, time flies, eh?
Certainly does, eh? And it passed its MOT without a single mark, eh?
Yeah, advice things like that.
Nah, nothing. I think he was actually shocked at the mileage it was on it for the condition of it.
I get that in Germany, that, didn't you?
Aye, it's been to Amsterdam, Germany, Austria, Italy, Switzerland, France. I mean when the road came out here.
Aye. I just really come out that, but...
Aye. So John, where are we going to head to today?
Biggar for coffee.
Biggar for a coffee.
Come back up to Hill End.
Aye, Hill End, that's where I decided to get petrol for the bike when I first got it. And ride away from the petrol station without paying. One of the guys at work happened to be at the petrol station at the same time and he kindly paid my bill.
Oh, that was nice, yeah.
Oh. Well, they were going to phone the cops. And Mike says, no, you'll not be phoning any cops. The boy's made a genuine mistake. I know the boy.
Oh, did you pay already?
I thought I'd paid for it on my app, but
Right, okay.
once I opened the app and started the process, that was when I bumped into Mike.
Right.
So we started to blather away as you do, and I just thought that it was on the app. I thought I'd done it all, filled it up, and then rode away. I think I might have actually said to Mike, I paid for all my fuel in the app. I don't bother going into the shop. Eh? Then I got a phone call from the office because Mike never had my mobile number, eh? So he phoned the office, and the office phoned me, eh? And I thought, oh crap, am I late for work? And I phoned up, and, well, they phoned me, and then when I answered the phone, it says to Mark, it says, am I supposed to be at work? I says, because that's the only time you phoned me. He went, no. And then he told me what happened there. So he gave me Mike's number, and I phoned Mike, and Mike says, aye, you're due me 20 odd quid. No bother, I says, aye, I says, there'll be money behind the desk for you first thing in the morning. Eh? So that was what I done there. When I went in that night, I went and put money behind the desk for him. I've still not seen him right enough. Hey Cardo, volume up. Hey Cardo, volume up. I thought you were awfully quiet there.
This is one I nearly come off it.
Nah, it's a tight one, like.
Tight one, aye.
Hello, sheep.
The bumps in that road used to get tight with the GT on this bit.
Oh, it's great, eh? It's the same with the cobblestones in Edinburgh, eh? I mean, all the cobbles, they're all buggered anyway, eh? Because they're all sinking and all that crap. Going over the cobbles on this, no bother at all, eh? like a hovercraft.
Professionally, so they only walk rather than just put the tire out.
And the thing is, John, they don't have the skills to relay the sets.
Your lanes have been brilliant, mate. I was actually never put your petrol.
Well, bring it down, I'll set them up to the same as mine,
Aye.
It was a wee bit dark at 4 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, yesterday when I took the bike to work. And it's got a good spread on the road, like a good beam onto the road.
I much prefer the fish in the way down the east.
Aye.
Just looks a lot brighter.
These are like projector lights.
Yeah. Right, this is SUZUKI road up here.
U Road.
Aye, it's like a black bypass.
Alright.
Same.
I remember them doing roadworks last time I was up here.
That's a decent university.
That's right, because the road went straight along with the buildings.
It comes right at the roundabout to the left.
Yeah. Oh, I've never been on
Last
this.
time I come along here, the police are standing with a gun.
To enforce a 30 when there's nothing round about.
No, that's a back and big road. So of course the guys are coming out of bikes, I'm wailing it around their car.
Aye.
Oh, so we're sitting here waiting on them.
Must be quite a couple of months since Alex and I were last up here. But no, I was with you, was it no? As well when we went down, me, you, Alec, Willie, when we went down to St Mary's.
Yeah, that's true. Aye. They come this way?
Oh no, we came up for Carn Wharf and then we turned right further down the hill there.
Yeah.
That was what we done. We came up via 4th.
Oh, 71.
Aye.
Look how big the lambs are already.
I know,
Fucking time flies, man, especially when you're around.
I know,
That's why you gotta get in as much as you can.
Absolutely, John. We learn that. You kind of be at a nice wee chilled out relaxing ride.
I've been riding the bike here this year. It's only me than I was the entire year last year.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Aye, they're all out today. Take a right and then a left.
Aye, we're going up here, right?
Yeah. This is the roads I was coming down when I was breaking the engine on it for its service.
Ah.
Some days I would, or one day I went right and then left, and the other day I just taken a left. This has all been retarded as well.
I was trying to make up a wee stormtrooper badge, you know, like the good PMC thing.
Aye.
I don't even want to say stormtrooper, they're a wee stormtrooper.
Yeah.
It's the good one.
Designing logos and all that crap is, I'm not very good at that, like. I think I just got lucky with the BMC one,
That's London's going to see all that.
Aye, the stickers she done are absolutely fantastic, like. I'll get her to do more, but I'll pay her,
Aye, I think what that's fucking peanuts, a couple of quid or something.
Aye, maybe you can get them half the size, Get more on a sheet,
Alright, you want smaller ones?
Aye.
What?
I'll pay her, like,
Well, we put the format in so that what it is just the size.
Yes, aye. That size is brilliant though for the top box, absolutely fantastic. But you can see that for miles away. 1699 miles, almost on 17.
does it tell you mileage you got left in your tank?
Mileage left 100 mile.
I've got 114.
I've just got that wee bit more juice in me. This is taking ages to click over. I think we take a left up here, John. Is that a right?
Is that a left?
That might be a right, aye.
Got it.
Aye, sorry.
It's got it bigger now.
Aye.
Confused me there.
Sorry. I'm thinking Peebles,
Hey, if you're going to Gala, you can take a left. Ugh. Hell, alright, Tom fucking gets me every time, man. I don't know what it is.
Ah, you're not very good at right, eh? Ah, you're not very good at your right turns yet, eh?
No.
Practice, 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 practice.
No, that's not what I'm waiting for something at fucking bags. Sometimes you get well, and other times,
I think you must be overthinking it. 1700 miles. Ah, you've got to be overthinking it. Okay, then 5 weeks old. Is it 5 weeks a day or is it 6 weeks a day I've had this? 6 weeks a day I think I've had the bike. I've only got that little mileage on it because the works off you inconvenient. Gets on the road. The quick shifter on this bike's brilliant, eh?
Oh, it's great. It's great. It's very similar to the one on GT. It's the same kind of smooth action.
Oh, it's buttery smooth, like buttery smooth.
Yeah.
Yep, we both got smiley faces.
Yep.
Now you can gun it.
Aye. We're still 20. It's fucking dropped in. Fuck. It's 20 minutes.
Aye, there's MPs in Wales, I believe, wanting to half it to 10. And then, then there was this other MP came out and says 10. It should be 5. Do you imagine trying to ride a motorcycle at 5 mile an hour?
It's a fucking joke.
Aye. Exactly. Wales is a lovely, lovely country, but I couldn't live there, no, with their draconian laws. But mind you, in saying that, it's no much better up here.
Oh, it's a bit better.
Remember during lockdown that Mark Drakeford said we wouldn't let his people buy essentials like toasters and kettles and all that shite. What the fuck was that all about? Fucking arsehole. He looked like a retard as well. Just look at his gormless looking face, eh?
After this black car.
Launch it.
Oh shit, put it here first.
Right, just stop. Oh,
That's
he's
all right, that's all right.
he's letting us out. On you go, John. Thank you.
I'm off it.
That was a nice car driver.
Unusually nice.
Aye.
See, this is with the raised ceiling. Look, there's not that much of a fucking difference.
No, you're fine.
You know what I mean? I think it'd be if you didn't better one anyway.
Well, I'm the same. I'm on the balls in my feet, eh?
Yeah.
But if I put one
Have
foot
you
down,
lowered
no
yours at
bother.
all?
Nope.
No?
No, but I have got long. Well, no, I've not got long legs, but my legs are longer than yours, eh? I'm a 31 inside leg, eh? We are big, massive, Bobby.
Oh, what's this?
That's all camper vans. There's an old Volkswagen camper
Bigger
van.
show. The Biggar show.
Oh, that's aye. When
Close to the morning.
when I used to run one of the car clubs up here 20 years ago, we used to attend that show, and then they stopped cars that were post 1975 going.
Alright.
So I had a disagreement with them, so I had a disagreement with them, and took them to shove their show up the backside, and our club never ever went back to it. Then I think they started to lose numbers, so they scrapped their their pre-75 rule, or post-75 rule.
Right.
They scrapped it. That'll be the Volkswagen club, aye. Hi guys.
Old wing out, innit?
Aye.
The coffee shop's just good here, innit? Somewhere.
Aye, it's well, we normally go to the chippy down here,
Ah, well, where's the chippy?
You'll smell it. The chippy's on the right hand side, but there's parking. There's that parking up there, you'll see the motorbike.
Oh,
There's a chippy there.
yeah. Just can hear them. Oh, I thought that was connected, it's not. Oh, fuck. I thought that was connected to the other bit.
It's alright, we
Then I
can
could go down there.
reverse it into there, into here.
Just put it up there.
Just reverse it into here, We'll get the two bikes in the one space,
Yeah.
It's a wee bit bumpy, John. I'll give you a wee hand. Hold on.
Okay.
Switch this off. Side stand down. I've got you. I got you. Right, take it forward a wee bit because you're coming in at too much an angle for that car.
Right.
Right, that's it. Right, left hand down, or right hand down, sorry. That's it. Steer it into my bike. Right, straighten up. That's it, perfect. That'll do you there, John.
So, see when I fucking lean this bike, it's going to be right.
No, you're going to lean it to the left.
So it's going to be right next to his door.
Is that your hat? That should be alright, we can put it up in the centre stand. Oh no, that's plenty of room. But we can stick it in the centre stands. There you are.
Fucking hell, man.
Right, sorry, right, stand in it.
Wait a minute. My wheels in a fucking Duke it. There is, it's no flying flat, there is.
There you are, we're both centre stood. And the chip is open. Aye, let's grab a chippy.
Aye, why not?